looking for. I said, don't go looking for.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Blooming with Iyanna. Today I'm going to participate in Life in a Day on YouTube, and let's get started. Hey you guys, so I'm really big about nourishing your body in the morning. So on a typical day, I'll usually drink celery juice, but today I'm going to try a heavy metal detox smoothie. You will need 2 bananas, 1 orange, cilantro, barley grass, spirulina, wild blueberries, a knife, and I chose to use a juice from pressed Juicery, Roots 1. Hey everyone, this is my best friend right here, Ty. Ty, introduce yourself.
My name is Iyanna, aka Ty, aka Juanita.
Okay, so here is the heavy metal detox smoothie, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, it looks a little bit scary. But you know, it has everything good for you, so I'm gonna drink it I'm gonna drink it either way. So any last words?
You know what? Maybe we shouldn't hope for the best.
Maybe we should hope for the best.
You think so? I don't know, because you know there's some drinks that actually look nasty but actually taste pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, we'll get the tea.
What do you think?
It's actually not that bad.
Oh.
I mean, the only thing is you can really taste the cilantro. But, ooh, and the grass.
Very cilantro-y, very cilantro-y.
Kind of tastes
Grassy.
like dirt. A little bit.
Dirt?
But like the healthy dirt. Wow. It's really hard to go down.
I can see why it's called the heavy metal detox. Now look, I don't want to discourage anybody from trying this drink. I think we could do half a cup of cilantro, because I did a whole cup of cilantro because that's what the recipe called for. And then also, like, you could probably add ice to make it cold. So I put it in the freezer to kind of cool it down. But if you do this once a week, I'm sure you'll be okay. So yeah.
Maybe what if we would have? Oh dang! It's a good thing.
Health is wealth, huh?
So I guess it's great we didn't use the green juice.
I did. Oh yeah, I know. I feel like that's why the root juice that I put in it made it this dark color, because it was the root juice. So that is why it's dark. But we all know health is
wealth.
It's taking me a little bit longer to take this smoothie down. It reminds me of a really green summery day, or maybe like a spring summery day, just rolling down a hill of grass. That's what it tastes like. Ooh, Lord Jesus. So I just came home to my parents' house, and my mother made this beautiful diaper cake for her best friend's baby shower today. His name is Arrow. So I love that. And then she also made, like, I don't know what these trays are called. Look at how beautiful. She is so creative. This looks so good. I wish I could have some. Now I'm home making spaghetti, strawberry cake. Oh my goodness. Fluffy as can be. All right, you guys, so I'm wrapping my day up with a rose clay face mask that I bought from Peach and Lily. It's clean ingredients, it unclogs your pores, and I really love everything that they sell on their website. Pretty much everything I have for my skincare regimen is through Peach and Lily, so I'll definitely make a video about what I use for my skincare, because I did have severe acne last year and my whole face broke out. But with changing my eating habits, drinking plenty of water, exercise, sleep, not being so stressed out, I was able to clear up my skin. Also, I know that I have hormonal acne, so it's really important to use ingredients that are clean and don't have any other ingredients to pretty much, cause more acne. I'm gonna wrap up my night and have that rosé with some of my strawberry cake. Today for me was pretty much focused on self-care. I got to see my family today, my grandma, my cousin, and my mama. So now I'm here at home, about to read a book, call it a night. Please, you guys, take care of yourself, love yourself, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.
I came from the bottom and we made it out the struggle. Do this shit for my mama, my older sister, little brother. If we got us a problem, we call up doing the heat of muscle. Different day, different problem, and every day's another hustle. Everybody